This TATA AIG Academy content is for training purpose and for internal circulation only. No business can be solicited basis on this content. Hello friends, today we will learn about TATA AIG's Medicare Premier Health Policy. TATA AIG is one of the leading general insurance company in India, which provides insurance solutions for health, travel, motor, small and medium enterprise, marine and much more. Learning objectives. After completion of this video, the learners will learn about Medicare Premier and its benefits. Let us understand benefits of TATA AIG's no-compromise health solution, Medicare Premier. Medicare Premier offers wide range of sum insured from 5 lakhs to 50 lakhs. Inpatient benefit. The policy covers expenses for hospitalization due to disease, illness, injury during the policy period that requires an insured person's admission in a hospital as an inpatient. It includes inpatient-related expenses too: room rent or boarding charges, nursing, intensive care unit, that is ICU, medical practitioner, OT charges, etc. It's amazing that this policy takes care of pre- and post-hospitalization expenses. Pre-hospitalization. Medicare Premier offers medical expenses incurred immediately before the insured person was hospitalized for a period of up to 60 days. For example, expenses related to consultations, investigations and medicines. Post-hospitalization. This policy also pays post-hospitalization expenses like consultations, investigations and medicines, etc. up to 90 days. Daycare procedures. With medical advancement, many surgeries or procedures are no longer require 24 hours stay in the hospital. All such 541 daycare procedures are covered under Medicare Premier. Now let's understand another bunch of benefits covered under Medicare Premier. High-end diagnostics. Treatment without correct diagnosis is simply unsustainable. This policy covers high-end diagnostics treatments like brain perfusion imaging, CT-guided biopsy, and much more. In this benefit, expenses are covered up to Rs 25,000 on OPD basis. Organ donor. Organ transplantations are complicated and expensive treatments. In organ donor benefit, Medicare Premier covers surgical and harvesting expenses of an organ donor as well as inpatient expenses of an insured. Prolonged hospitalization. If hospitalization is for continuous period of more than 10 days, then a fixed amount of 1% of sum insured is payable under prolonged hospitalization benefit. Consumables benefit. Most importantly, this policy reimburses consumable expenses like syringes, cotton, gloves, etc. incurred during hospitalization. So, here is the unique and important benefit of Medicare Premier, that is, Restore benefit. Medicare Premier has come with Restore benefit, which automatically re-establishes the base sum insured to 100% upon exhaustion of sum insured and accrued cumulative bonus. In case of same illness, Restore benefit gets triggered after a waiting period of 45 days from the discharge date of the previous hospitalization. And for unrelated disease, illness and other insured, there isn't any waiting period. But in any given case, we will only settle claim up to the base sum insured. Let's understand it with an example. If the policy is of Rs 25 lakhs and first claim received is of 20 lakhs, this claim gets settled from base sum insured. Balance sum insured is 5 lakhs. Now, if there is a second claim of 15 lakhs, here Restore benefit gets triggered of Rs 25 lakhs. So, policy settles the claim of 15 lakhs by utilizing balance base sum insured of 5 lakhs and 10 lakhs from Restore benefit. Balance Restore sum insured is 15 lakhs. Leave all your worries of getting shifted to hospital or from one hospital to another. Medicare Premier takes care of such expenses incurred on ambulance. Ambulance cover. Policy pays the ambulance charges of Rs 5,000 per hospitalization in case of an emergency. Emergency air ambulance. This policy caters rapid ambulance transportation of the insured person to the hospital via aeroplane or helicopter up to maximum of Rs 5 lakhs. Let's take a quick recap. Let's have a look at another important benefit of Medicare Premier. Compassionate travel. Importance of immediate family member can't be ignored during the long illness of insured. If the insured person is hospitalized for more than 5 consecutive days, then travel expenses of customers' immediate family member are covered up to Rs 20,000 in a policy year to visit him or her. It includes the expenses of flight tickets and train tickets. Second opinion. In critical conditions, second opinion matters a lot. Medicare Premier helps customer getting second opinion from network provider or medical practitioner. It includes the consultation of cancer, kidney failure, and much more. Global cover. This policy also covers medical expenses incurred outside India if illness is diagnosed in India. Under global cover, inpatient and daycare hospitalization are covered on reimbursement basis. Restore sum insured cannot be used under global cover. Patient should travel only for treatment purpose. Let's take a look at another benefit of this policy. Daily cash for shared accommodation. If Medicare Premier customer chooses to continue his or her treatment in shared accommodation, then the benefit pays a fixed amount of 0.25% of sum insured and a maximum of Rs 2,000 per day. Daily cash for accompanying an insured child. In a family, if an insured child of aged 12 years or less gets hospitalized, Medicare Premier provides the benefit of 0.25% of sum insured and a maximum of Rs 2,000 per day for accompanying adult. Now we will check about the benefits that Medicare Premier offers for OPD and dental treatments. OPD treatment. OPD treatment expenses constitute the major part of health expenses. This policy covers OPD treatment expenses up to Rs 5,000 after 2 years of continuous coverage. OPD treatment, dental. Medicare Premier covers even OPD dental treatment expenses up to Rs 10,000 after 2 years of continuous coverage. It includes treatments like root canal, tooth extraction, tooth filling, inpatient dental treatment. This policy also covers medical expenses incurred towards hospitalization for dental treatment. Let's have a look at another benefits of Medicare Premier. Domiciliary treatment. If there is no bed available in the hospital or the doctor validates that insured needs home treatment, Medicare Premier covers such expenses under domiciliary treatment benefit. Duration of treatment should be more than 3 days. Ayush benefit. Today, traditional health treatments are preferred by many. Under Ayush benefit, Medicare Premier supports inpatient medical expenses for such treatments like Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, and homeopathy. Let's have a quick recap about the Medicare Premier benefits that we have learned so far. Let us understand some of the unique and important benefits of Medicare Premier. Bariatric surgery. It is a weight loss program which helps you to get rid of obesity. Medicare Premier covers obesity-related treatment under bariatric surgery benefit. Some checkpoints to go for such treatments are: surgery to be conducted as per the doctor's advice. The member age is 18 years or older. Body mass index or BMI is greater than or equal to 40. BMI is greater than or equal to 35 in conjunction with certain health conditions. Vaccination cover. Vaccination is an effective way to boost immune and avoid diseases or abnormalities. This policy covers vaccination expenses of anti-rabies and typhoid vaccine from day 1 and HPV and hepatitis B vaccine after waiting period of 2 years. Hearing aid. Hearing aid empowers and helps an individual to stay connected to the outside world. Medicare Premier covers the charges of hearing aid every third year up to Rs 10,000 or 50% of actual expenses, whichever is lower. Under maternity and vaccination benefit, Medicare Premier extends cover towards mother and newborn. Maternity cover. Enjoy this happiest moment of your life without any financial worries. After the waiting period of 4 years, this policy covers maternity expenses up to maximum of Rs 50,000 for a boy child and Rs 60,000 for a girl child. Newborn baby cover. A newborn baby is like little sun, which brings happiness in our lives. Medicare Premier pays for medical expenses up to Rs 10,000 for treatment of the newborn baby for complications related to delivery. First-year vaccinations. And if the child is covered in the policy, then this policy pays for the expenses of first-year vaccination up to Rs 10,000 in case of a boy child and Rs 15,000 in case of a girl child. Accidental death benefit. Death is inevitable, but when it is untimely, it hurts a lot. Due to an accidental death of adult insured during the policy period, Medicare Premier will pay fixed amount of 100% of sum insured. The advantage of renewing Medicare Premier policy is that you can have health checkup and cumulative bonus. Health checkup. Regular checkup is the best practice to say goodbye to illnesses. This policy offers a complimentary health checkup up to 1% of sum insured, subject to a maximum of Rs 10,000 per policy year, irrespective of the claims. Cumulative bonus. Last but not the least, Medicare Premier offers cumulative bonus of 50%, which will be applicable on the base sum insured on every claim-free year till it reaches 100% of the base sum insured.